Hi, this is Saiful Islam. Welcome back again. Um, Today I'll show you how to create a project for start writing code on CodeBlocks. Okay, how we are going to start writing code on CodeBlocks. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you should select. You should click on File menu, then click on New and Project. Okay, then console application, double click, then select the C and just put in name. We can put it like hi programming C. Okay, just next. Maybe it should. That's good. It will fine. Okay, I can select the path from here. Okay, where I'll select, it will save here there. Okay, just click on next and finish. Okay, now on the left side you will see the main.c. Okay, that is built by default. It will show here the hello world. Okay, just if I want to change this, just hello programming C. Okay, how you will run, just click on this icon. Okay, build and run, and this is only run and this is build. Okay, if I click on build, it will show no error. Okay, it will take time, little bit time. Okay, no error. Okay, if I click on run, then it will run. Okay, hello programming C. Here is the output. Okay, this is the first thing, how we'll open a project and how we'll write, how we'll build the code. Okay, and the second thing is how we'll declare variable. Okay, the variable just int, that means integer. In my previous tutorial I seen you, maybe you seen that how I declared the variable type. Okay, this is integer type. Okay, just int a. Okay, and float b. And if I want to show you something, that is float character C double. Okay, D. Okay, now I want to see the size of. Okay, size of int t, that is %d, and si size of a. Okay, I want to delete this one. Okay, just press Ctrl D. Okay, B, that is C and D, until float, float float character char, until du double. Okay, if I run and build, I want to both. Okay, just need to printf /n, that means new line. Okay, I want to see the output with the new line. After every printf, just put the new line. Just click on build and run. and the size of int 4, size of float 4, size of character 1, and the size of double 8. Okay, this is the value of size of the type variable type. Okay, the size of variable type. We can see how to print the a. Here is a, that means size of a. Which type of data? It's integer type. How many size it's contain? It will 4 bytes. Okay,